Proposition: if X is a compact or Lindelof space and that a subset of X is closed in X, then A in its relative topology is also compact or respectively Lindelof. That is, if X is compact and A is closed in X, then the subspace A is compact. Similarly, if X is Lindelof and A is closed, then the subspace A is also Lindelof. We are going to prove this proposition when X is a compact space. The same proof can be applied for Lindelof spaces if we replace the word compact with Lindelof and finite with countable. Let us suppose that X is compact and that A subset of X is closed. Now we need to show that the subspace A, that is this space A together with the subspace topology, is also compact. Let U be an open cover of A in its relative topology. Now for each U element of cover U, since this U is open with respect to the subspace topology on A, this U will be of the form an open set in X intersection with A. In general, there may be more than one such open sets in X, such that their intersection with A will be equal to U. So we will be fixing one such open set and we will be labeling it as, say, V of U, such that A intersection with V of U is equal to U. Then we can construct a new family which consists of all members of the form V of U, where U is any member of cover U. Since the family U covers A, this collection, which is in fact some supersets of each member of cover U, so this family will also cover A. So if we include X minus A in the new family, then this union will definitely cover the whole of space X, since this collection will cover A and the remaining elements will be covered by X minus A. And we know that this set X minus A is open since A is closed. So this family is in fact an open cover of X and hence admits a finite subcover, say V of U1, etc. V of UN, and possibly the member X minus A. But we know that this set X minus A covers only those points which are outside A. So this must imply that the collection V of U1, etc. V of UN covers A, and this will imply that V of U1 intersection with A, V of U2 intersection with A, and so on, V of UN intersection with A will also cover A. But we know that V of U1 intersection with A is in fact U1 itself. Similarly, V of UN intersection with A is U. So we can see that the collection U1, U2, etc. UN covers the set A. So this is a finite subcover of the open cover U. Thus we have proved that every open cover of A in its relative topology has a finite subcover. So we can conclude that A in its relative topology is compact. The proof that A is Lindelof in case X is similar. That part is left to you as a homework. Now we move on to a definition. It states that a topological property is said to be weakly hereditary if whenever a space has it, so does every closed subspace of it. With this terminology, the last proposition shows that both compactness and the Lindelof property are weakly hereditary. Now let us define a new concept, namely local base. Let X be a space and small x element of capital X, then a local base at small x is a collection L of neighborhoods of small x such that given any neighborhood, say capital N of small x, there exists capital L element of the collection L satisfying capital L subset of N. So corresponding to every neighborhood N of x, there will be a member of the local base which is contained in that neighborhood. For example, collection of all neighborhoods at a point x, that is the neighborhood system, is a local base at that point. This is a trivial example. Another example is that of a metric space. If X is a metric space, then the collection of all open boards centered at that point, say X, will be a local base at X. Similarly, we can also prove that the collection of all open boards of rational radii is also a local base. So, we can obtain a local base which is countable for a metric space. This property inspires the next definition. A space is said to be first countable at a point if there exists a countable local base at that. Similarly, we say that a space is first countable or the space satisfies the first axiom of countability if it is first countable at each point.